Welcome to Taxadyan. In today's video, we shall explain you how to resolve the Emsigner error in GST portal. Very often we have faced the issue of Emsigner error while filing the GST return or while registering the DSC in GST portal. Let us now learn how to fix this issue. To fix the Emsigner issue, we'll have to uninstall the Emsigner which is already installed in your system. For this, you'll have to go to Control Panel under the Start menu. Here you will find the tab Program. Under this, you can find Uninstall Program. Click on Uninstall Program. Now select Emsigner and then click on Uninstall. To install the Emsigner from the GST portal, you need to visit GST website, that is www.gst.gov.in. Once you scroll down, you will find Help and Taxpayer Facilities. Under that tab, you will find the option for System Requirements. Click on System Requirements. In point number 3, you can see downloading and installing the WebSocket installer. Here, you can see the option of DSC registration. Click on DSC registration. This will take you to the page Document Signer Installer. If you're using Windows operating system, click on the first option to download the Emsigner. The Emsigner setup wizard will install the Emsigner on your computer. Click on Next to continue. Select the installation folder where Emsigner will be installed. You can click Next to continue, or to install in a different folder, you need to enter in the path provided or click on Browse. Click the Install button to begin the installation. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, you can click Back or click Cancel to exit the wizard. Please wait while the setup wizard installs the Emsigner. Now click on Finish to complete the Emsigner setup. Once the Emsigner has been installed on your system, you can right-click on the Emsigner and then click on Run as Administrator. You will see the message Emsigner service started successfully. Click on OK. After following these steps, Emsigner will work in your Internet Explorer. However, to use it in Google Chrome, follow the following steps. Go to Google Chrome, click on Settings. Under Privacy and Security, you will find the option of Site Settings. Click on Site Settings. Under the tab Content, you will find the option JavaScript. To add any sites which can use JavaScript, click on this. You can see the option which are the sites that will be allowed to use the JavaScript. Click on that, enter the URL https://127.0.0.1:1585. Add another site https://120.0.0.1:1585. Now click on Add. Now enter the code as shown here after opening CMD and then click Enter. In Google Chrome, you can open a new tab and enter https://127.0.0.1:1585. Then click on Advanced. Now click on Proceed to 127.0.0.1 Unsafe. We have given a live demo here how Emsigner works in Google Chrome after adding https://127.0.0.1:1585. After entering the mentioned URL, click on Advanced and then click on Proceed to 127.0.0.1 Unsafe. It will show this page isn't working or reload. You need not have to worry here. Click on File GSTR 3B with DSC and follow the regular steps for filing GST returns. We hope that you have now learned how to resolve the Emsigner error in GST portal. Thank you for your time and we look forward to hear from you. For more such videos, watch our channel and follow our page on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.